is ripping.
My tummy hurts.
Pretty good, Brandon Ask.
Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Brett with Off the Chart Trading. It's 4:20, Monday, February 28th. Market just closed. Lucid just had earnings. I'm watching Lucid, high-low ticker here. Lucid getting beat up pretty good here. It's down 4%. Said call and put add together, expect a move from earnings. I told everybody just stay away from it because it's only had a $4 expected move, and here we are down $1. We closed at 29. We're at 25.40s, 25.50s. So the problem was the 222% at the money IV way too high for that thing. You buy a call, you buy a put, you pretty much kind of get hosed. Market makers got you covered on that one. 234 is where the 29s closed on the calls, and then the put side closed at 260. So you might make some money on the put side, but we'll see what happens. See where it opens up tomorrow. But this thing might shake out and end up flat, and everybody get hosed on it. But anyway, some great calls today. Tesla being number one. Tesla out of the gate had a really nice move. If you're trading this style that I'm trading, Tesla ended up 814 all the way to 876 high. Really nice move here. No reason to get out of this trade. 246 across to the upside out of the gate. Didn't even touch each other the way we trade these out of the gate. All the way up here to the 876. Your first exit is 870. So if you traded this style, you could have caught this whole move. First exit signal 868, 870 area. Really nice play on there. Closed up 57.75 on the day. Another one I was saying out of the gate was Northrop Grumman. Had a low of 413, ended up at 442. This one out of the gate 409. Pre-market was 409 here. Had a nice move all the way up to 438. Again, if you trade this style, we almost touched here. You probably would have got stopped out here, like 435 area, 434 area, on this style of trading with these crossover pattern that I have. And then the Lockheed Martin was really good too. LMT, nice move. Let me see. They pretty much identical chart, right? You see how it had a gap up, a pullback, and a rip up. That's Northrop Grumman. Here's Lockheed, same thing. Had a gap up, a pullback, and then a nice rip. So 410, 409. This did pull down 411. That's why I thought I was losing my mind. This says 413 on the data feed here, but we did see 411, and then it ripped all the way up here to 431. So that's what it says over here too. So, but again, if you're trading this crossover system, real easy to gain those, take those gains. And Teladoc was one, had a nice gap, a nice rip in the pre-market. I didn't tell everybody, just don't chase that thing. It was up, what, 13, 14 bucks or something. Had a really big pullback and just kind of went flat on the day. They had a little bounce here, but not much, $2.50 bounce. Upstart had a nice day. I was looking at Upstart. Upstart finished up 22 on the day. And that was out of the gate, so nice move on Upstart. Coin had a nice day. Coin had a nice little rally, 172s all the way up to 192.23. Really nice move on Upstart. All these options paid pretty good. I scalped AMC. I scalped GameStop. Little scalp here. Triple D's running here again after hours. A lot of these names got earnings this afternoon. Another one I traded was Rita, RETA. Nailed this thing at like 26 and a quarter. Pulled about 80 cents on here real quick. Looking at Reggie up 17. Reggie, REGI, renewable energy. All the energy stuff I was saying this morning in pre-market too. Energy was flat on the day, which was really nice. See, flat on the day. We broke out over this profile And we had a wedge on Friday. We gapped up, but we broke out over it, and we based out, pulled back real quick in the morning. We were pretty negative. I think we're down at 1.60 cents. Low was 68.01. Finished up here at 70.58. So, nice move on energy, 2.5%. These options move pretty good. So, that's not a big mover, but these options moved good. The other one I didn't trade that. I traded Chevron. So Chevron I traded out of the gate. Was a nice little trade. I caught that dip on Chevron. Pulled about $280 real quick on that. All energy though, you see Gush up 12. Let me show you. Gush is up 12 today. XOP up nice, 584. UCO up 5. FANG up 473. All these energy plays worked really good today. DVN, Chevron, Hess up 350. Chevron's up 360. Chesapeake Energy up 242. Bloom Energy 188. Apache 165. A lot of this stuff closed on its highs as well. BTU, Peabody, XLE, again, XLE was just up 174 here, now only up 162 after hours. But nice day on all these energy plays. I got about 30 on my watch list, and 28 of them are green, sorry. And then miners, I was looking at gold this morning. Gold was up big in pre-market, and I said don't chase it. I didn't want to chase that. I didn't want anybody getting stuck in that thing. Then gaps up and just yanks right back here. GLD up 171. Same thing. We had a gap up. It moved up nice in pre-market and pretty much just sold off all day. We did recover about 75% back, but you can play these bounces on this Heikin-Ashi setup I have over here, but better short play these nice down runs here. Qs today were all over the place. We were up, down, up, down, up, down. Really had a nice little rally here and a nice rip down, down again, up, down. I mean, this thing's just, you get this big rip down and then a big rip up. You're ripping $2-3 at a time on this thing, it's been pretty much par for the course on everything. Qs did finish up green. IWM finished up green. I am still bearish on IWM. You guys know what I've been drawing on here. My end of recap Friday, pretty much every day for the last month I've just been a super bear on energy on IWM profile. We're trying to get back up into profile here. If we can gap up and get back into this value area, we might have a chance here with IWM. But this thing has just been, I had my line drawn here, this double bottom. We hit this low the other day last month on the 28th, and then here we are a month later. We just touched it again on Wednesday or Thursday last week. So I've just been really bearish on IWM. We got beat up pretty bad, and you got a ton of overhead supply here, a whole year's worth of supply that people are just dying to take profits, pretty much stuck. SPY was the weakest link today, finished down $1.21. We almost had an inside day on SPY. Notice we are under the 21 on the SPY. We are under the 21 on the Qs. So we got $20 more to go till we touch the 200 on the Qs. The SPY has a little bit less room to go. 37, 50, 45. You got maybe $10 to go for a move to the 200 on the SPY. I don't like that the TLTs are moving up. The bonds, 20-year Treasury bond TLT. I don't like that that's moving up. So I'm still kind of bearish. We'll see. Tomorrow's the first day of the new month, so maybe we'll get a little bit of green then. We had a lot of pennies moving today too. You had FANU moving, GRST a little bit, TGRO. VISM was the biggest mover. VISM right there, up 151%. It did hit a nickel from hit 005s from 002s. So it was up at one point about 162% is what I saw last time. But nice move. You had Brill, Barrel Energy, BRLL, 61%. That one had a little move on Friday. Had a little bit of a move on Friday. Not, it finished down on the low, but it did popped up over almost to 2 pennies from a penny and a quarter. Ended up closing over 2 today though. So if you're trading size with some of these, you can do real well. Affirm, another one. Affirm had a really nice thing, nice run today. 38 all the way up to 43 here. Not a huge run, but the spreads are tight, so you make decent money when you're playing those. But anyway, if you guys want to follow us, hit us on OffTheChartTrading.com or hit us on Facebook at Off the Chart Trading. Come join us if you want to trade with us and see how we trade these things. You got Ed, myself, and Nick all moderating, and a lot of people in the group doing really well and helping out with everybody, making calls and helping people, learn the ropes. So if you guys are new to trading, feel free to reach out and get with us, and we'll get you started and get you rolling. All right, you guys have a good night. See you tomorrow.